Hello food lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a comfort classic food that's sure to make your taste buds dance, creamy and cheesy. I can't wait to show you how to make this mouth-watering mac and cheese recipe. So let's get started. First, into a blender add some onion, garlic, salt, pepper, some red chili powder or chili flakes, some cream cheese, some cheddar cheese, and milk. Blend everything really well and keep it aside. Now let's cook some pasta. Here I added some water with salt and olive oil. Once it comes to a boil, add your pasta and cook till al dente. Strain it and keep it ready. Now into another bowl, add the blended puree and bring it to boil. So in this mac and cheese, you don't have to make the white sauce, add cheese, pasta or anything. This is the easy and simple recipe. Once this comes to a boil, add your cooked pasta and boil it till it becomes thick and creamy. If you find it a bit dry, you can add some pasta water. Here I added some oregano and coriander leaves for that extra flavor. And there you have it, our irresistible mac and cheese is ready to serve. Creamy, cheesy and absolutely divine. This mac and cheese is ultimate comfort food. I hope you enjoy making this with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for watching.